Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video, we will see that how can we restore the emails from the trash bin. So once you are in your Gmail and you decide to delete emails, they won't be permanently deleted. They will in fact go to a trash bin. This is actually a security measure employed by Gmail in which all of your mails will be in the trash bin for 30 days. And if you do not take any action on those emails, then after 30 days they would be permanently removed. But in case you have accidentally deleted or moved some mail that is important to you into the trash bin, then you might want to restore it at a later time or when you need it before the 30 days time period is over. So what do we do is exactly what we will see in this video. The process is pretty simple and this can happen in the Gmail app as well as in your browser. So right now I'm in the browser. Make sure you are connected to your Gmail account. Then in this left menu, click on more, scroll down to where it says trash and there would be this bin icon in front of it. Just click on that. Here you will see all the emails that you have deleted. Now there are two ways of restoring the emails. One is you select all and restore them all in one shot, and the second is you do it individually. So firstly I'm showing you individually. Okay, so let me just select one email. Suppose this email, I have just selected this individual email. Then I will go to this option that says move to. So select this and click inbox. So what happens? I get a notification, action completed. If I just go back to my inbox, then you will see earlier it was only one email, but now I'm having two emails. This one I just moved from trash and this one that has already been there. Similarly, let us just try with another email. Suppose this one I want to move to not the inbox but to the spam folder. This actually is restoring, and basically you can move the email to any of the folders that is present. Suppose I want to move it to the spam folder. So I just select spam, conversation marked as spam. You go to the spam folder now and you will see that this email is present. If you want to delete it from here, then also you can just select it and click on delete forever. Or if you want to mark it as not spam, so you can mark it as not spam, and then what will happen? If you go to the inbox, then you will see that this message, this mail in fact is present as not spam directly into the inbox. So that is another way of restoring the emails from the trash bin to the spam and then marking them as not spam. The other way is that if you go to the trash bin, here you select all the emails in one shot by selecting this or by using the select all button. Then you can use this move to move all of them into the inbox in one shot. So what happens? You go to the inbox and we have all the 17 mails present over here. All of them have been moved back to our inbox folder. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.